What's up, YouTube? Today we will be opening up the Pokemon Cyrus tournament collection, which is actually pretty cool. They came out with this one as well as Clara. I definitely think Clara had the better box, so here it is right here. But you know what? I decided to just pick up one of these, so let's open this one up. There is a lot of cool stuff in here. The person at the register even was like, wow, they didn't realize how much stuff came in this little box. So I cannot wait to open this up and crack open some packs. Let's see what's in here. All right, so let's check out this Cyrus Premium Tournament Collection. It's really funny. So I was picking between the Clara and the Cyrus, and I picked Cyrus, and the guys at the register said, awesome, Cyrus is everyone's favorite. So let's hope that means some good luck here. It's just like a milk carton. Oh, it pretty much is. All right, so we have some damage dice. We have a deck box, and I think, oh, we got some cards in here. I watched PokeReb's video doing this, and I saw that one of the boxes that he opened, like, they were like really stuffed in there. Luckily, it doesn't look like it was that bad here. We have some indicators. We have this really cool boss's orders. I think there's a couple other boss's orders behind that. And we have some Cyrus sleeves. All right, so we have the really cool promo boss's orders, the full art one. And we have 3 copies of boss's orders, which are all holographic. So very cool. And like I said, we have some sleeves, we have the deck box, and then some damage dice, and some status indicators. We also have 7 total packs, so it looks like we have 3 Silver Tempest, 1 Fusion Strike, 1 Brilliant, and 2 Astral. So let's shuffle these up. Now let's open these up. All right, so we have Psychic, Galley, Meowstic, Anorith, Dratini, Esper, Smeagol, Ferroseed, Fletchling, Spinninda, and a Talonflame. Astral Radiance. Dark, Commando, Jubilee Village, Dratrix, Togepi, Magnemite, Ralts, Hussein Sneasel, Barroach, Yanmega, and a Hussein Basque Legion. Another Silver Tempest. So we have V-Star Marker, Unidentified Fossil, Lantern, Dracloak, Emolga, Murkrow, Wheelmer, Mischievous, Growlithe, the Braixen, which I actually didn't have, so that's awesome, and a Rapidash, Brilliant Stars. All right, so we have Fighting, Fresh Water, Cafe Master, Weevil, Clefairy, Cherubi, Sock, Corphish, Golett, Staryu, and a Luxray. Steel, Endogloss, Cramoratic, Dunsparce, Flanks, Growlithe, Indeedee, Galarian Dukama, Pancham, Grubbin, and a Azumarill. Astral Radiance. So we have Water, another Identified Fossil, Bronzorock, Roxanne, Voltorb, Glemeow, Chatnot, Swinub, Ponyta, Kakarot, and a Leafeon. Last pack. Thanks for watching. Oh, Fire, Fletchner, Alteria, Brandon, Drowsy, Vulpix, Ruffette, Halucha, Relicanth, Drowsy, and a Mile While Alt V-Star. Very, very nice.